Hello students, I hope you are fine at your home. You are doing your work properly. Today, my new topic is states of matter. As you know, matter has three states. Those are solid, liquid and gas. When you compare solid, liquid and gas, you will find that molecules of solids are closely packed. In comparison of solids, liquid have intermolecular space is more than solids. But in gaseous form, the intermolecular space is too high. Similarly, the intermolecular force between two molecules is much more in solids. In comparison of solids, liquid have less intermolecular force, but in gases there is no intermolecular force acts. On behalf of this, some properties of solid, liquid and gas have seen. If we compare the properties of these solid, liquid and gases, we found solid has fixed shape because its molecular intermolecular force is greater and the space between two molecules is very less. That's why its shape is fixed. But in liquid form, intermolecular force is less than solids and intermolecular space is more than solids. That's why liquids takes the shape of the container in which we put it. In gases, the intermolecular space is too high and intermolecular force is negligible. That's why it takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Next one is volume. Since the intermolecular force is high and intermolecular space is too low, that's why we can't change the volume of the solids. But in case of liquid, since its shape is not fixed but volume is fixed. Suppose you have 1 liter of water and you poured it into glass, it will take the shape of the glass. But if you pour it into the pan, it will take the shape of the pan. But volume will be fixed, that is 1 liter of water. That's why volume of liquid is fixed. But in case of gases, when we put the gas in container, it takes the shape of that container. Like if you are filling the gas in a small can, it will take the shape of the small can. If the same gas is filled into a larger can or cylinder, it will take the shape of that cylinder. That's why its volume is not fixed. The next is compressibility. Compressibility means will it change the shape or size when we compress it or pressurize it? Since molecules of solids are closely packed, that's why they can't compress. But in case of liquid, since intermolecular space is large than solids and intermolecular force is less than solids, that's why it can be compressed. Gas. In case of gases, since molecules are far apart, that's why we can compress easily the gas. And next one is diffusion. In case of solid, diffusion is not possible. Diffusion means mixing. Since molecules of solids are closely packed, that's why they can't mix. But in case of liquids, if two liquids mix together, they easily diffuse. And in case of gases, it is highly diffused. Like if you want to mix two gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen, with each other, they will diffuse easily. In case of liquids too, if you dissolve oxygen with the water, it will diffuse. As you know, aquatic animals like fish and other animals, aquatic animals which live in water, takes the oxygen from diffused form because oxygen is diffused in water. In gases, diffusion is much more than liquids because the molecular space is too high. That's why they mix it with each other. In this topic, these are the some points: intermolecular space and intermolecular force, shape, volume, compressibility and diffusions are described. After this topic, there is a blue headed part in which questions are given. I hope you will do the questions. You will write the answers appropriately, neatly, and I hope you will send it into classroom for assignment. In the next session, I will explain the next topic. Read it carefully at home. I hope you will understand the topic. Till then, thank you.